How to create random images using the Content Randomizer plugin. First, we're going to go to Template Pages. Once we're on Template Pages, we're going to click on a page. Here's a shortcode overview panel. Next would be the Alt Tag panel. This would be the one we're going to want to use. So if we're doing a local page, this is a shortcode we would use. This one if you want the state name abbreviated. So we would copy this shortcode, copy. We're going to go down to general images. They all work the exact same. There's already a bunch of images already in here randomized. We're going to add another image. Once we go to add images, we're going to add general image. We're going to use this image right here. There is already an alt tag posted here because this page picture is already being used within some of the images. So we would hit use this file, and it's going to add that image as image number 21. And then we would hit update, and it will save that picture. And if you wanted to add another image for more randomization, all you do is do add image and follow the same steps. Thank you for enjoying our videos on how to install a random image.